So we have arrived at Palais Royal and look at this weather. Wow. Amazing. Is it vitamin D, vitamin K? I don't even know. Welcome to Vlogmas from Paris, day number 3. Yes, today we're on time. Last night I had a little bit of technical difficulties, which was because of the 360 camera and the phone memory, and I had to still figure out the right workflow, because as you maybe all know, 360 consumes a lot of not only data but also memory on phone and computer. So I really have to have a very tight schedule or tight workflow so that it, you know, I can continue going even with 256 gigs on a telephone. It is a little bit sunny in Paris at the moment. It was raining the whole day, so I didn't go out to film. Luckily I did film, as Curtis and Bieder know, already last Friday. So I collected some nice footage that I could implant in my Vlogmas from Paris. First we go to Galerie Vivienne. So I will just have a little walk with you guys there. I'm not talking about anything. I will put a link of Wikipedia underneath so you can have a little bit more information. And then after that we will go to Jardin du Palais Royal, where I montaged a bit of Tchaikovsky, because it sounds so nice when we go like this. So that will be fun. And I see that the plant is moving with me. So yes, so I'm working on the workflow. It's getting better. Eventually, hopefully, I can just edit this all on my phone. Oh yeah, before I forget, Patreon. Till the 10th of December, join for $2 a month and I will send you a postcard from Paris, a Christmas postcard from Paris. And then you will have the tier of $2 forever, because it's limited to only 50 people. And then after that I will raise for the new ones to $5 a person. Anything else I need to say? I think I need to cut a lot in this talk because I'm making a lot of mistakes, but hey, that's life. So if you're wondering what this is, I'm standing next to my plants, my wild plants, because I have green fingers and everything grows. My door, if you go out you get to the front door. And yeah, enjoy the video. So this is Galerie Vivienne. Pretty, no? J'ai plein de questions avant de gagner. So we have arrived at Palais Royal and look at this weather. Wow. Amazing. Is it vitamin D, vitamin K? I don't even know. Let's go to the fountain. Well, this is a very good beginning for the Vlogmas from Paris. Look at the fountain. Yay! So happy. Coffee? Here's that.